Are you tired of staring at the same dull walls every day? Do you feel like your space lacks personality and charm? Well, you're not alone! Many of us crave a fresh, inviting environment without breaking the bank. The good news is, you don't need a full-blown renovation to transform your space. Sometimes all it takes are a few clever decor changes to breathe new life into your home. In this article, I'll take you through a simple house renovation journey, where we'll revamp a room using budget-friendly ideas and easy-to-find decor pieces. Ready to get inspired? Let's get started. Why a simple renovation can make a big difference. You might be wondering, why bother with a renovation if it's going to be simple? Well, the answer is straightforward. Even small changes can have a huge impact. A fresh coat of paint, rearranged furniture, or a few stylish accessories can make a room feel completely new. Plus, you don't have to spend a fortune or hire a contractor. Simple renovations are all about maximizing what you already have while adding a few new touches to enhance the look and feel of the space. It's budget-friendly, fun, and allows you to express your creativity. Setting the scene. The before look before diving into the decorating process, let's take a look at the room we're working on. Imagine a plain, lifeless living room with faded walls, outdated furniture, and cluttered shelves. It feels cramped and uninspiring, and frankly, it's begging for a makeover. The goal? To transform this dull space into a cozy, stylish retreat where you can relax and entertain guests. And the best part? We're doing it without major renovations or expensive furniture. Step 1. Declutter and rearrange. The first step to any successful renovation is decluttering. A cluttered room feels chaotic and overwhelming, no matter how beautifully decorated it is. Start by getting rid of items you no longer need or use. Donate, recycle, or store them away. Next, experiment with the furniture layout. Sometimes, simply moving your couch or repositioning a chair can change the flow of the room and make it look more spacious. In our project, we moved the sofa closer to the window, allowing more natural light to fill the space. This instantly made the room feel brighter and more welcoming. Step 2. A fresh coat of paint. Never underestimate the power of paint. It's one of the most affordable ways to transform a room. For this project, we chose a soft, neutral shade to create a calming atmosphere. Light colors like beige, pale gray, or even a muted pastel can make a room look bigger and more inviting. If you're feeling bold, consider an accent wall. In our makeover, we painted one wall a rich, earthy green to add depth and a touch of nature to the room. It became the perfect backdrop for the new decor pieces. Step 3. Adding stylish yet affordable decor. Now comes the fun part, decorating. You don't need to splurge on expensive decor items. Here's how we did it. Rugs and cushions. A new rug can anchor your seating area and make the room feel cozy. We opted for a textured rug with neutral tones to complement the wall color. Adding a few patterned cushions on the sofa brought in pops of color and personality. Wall art and mirrors. Blank walls can be uninspiring. So we added a gallery of framed prints above the sofa. You can mix and match different sizes and designs for an eclectic look. Additionally, a large mirror on the opposite wall helped reflect light and made the room look more spacious. Yet, plants for a touch of greenery. Houseplants are a fantastic way to bring life into any space. We placed a tall, leafy plant near the window and smaller potted plants on the shelves for a fresh, lively vibe. As smart storage solutions to keep the room clutter-free, we used stylish storage baskets and floating shelves. Not only do they provide extra storage, but they also add character to the room. Step 4. Lighting matters. Good lighting is key to setting the right mood. In our makeover, we replaced the outdated ceiling light with a modern chandelier for a chic, elegant touch. We also added a floor lamp next to the sofa for cozy reading evenings. If you're on a budget, consider swapping out old lampshades or adding string lights for a warm, ambient glow. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the room's atmosphere. The final reveal: a cozy, stylish haven. After all the hard work, the transformation was incredible. The once dull and cluttered living room became a cozy, stylish haven with a fresh, inviting ambiance. The neutral walls, paired with vibrant decor and lush greenery, created a harmonious balance between comfort and elegance. The new layout made the space feel open and airy, while the accent wall added character without overwhelming the room. It was proof that even the simplest renovations could make a big difference. Ready to transform your space? Renovating doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a little creativity and smart choices, you can easily revamp any room in your house. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room, bedroom, or even a small corner, these simple renovation tips are perfect for giving your space a new lease on life. So, are you ready to decorate with me? Grab your paintbrush, rearrange that furniture, and let your creativity flow. You'll be amazed at how a few changes can completely transform your home. Final thoughts: home is where the heart is, and it should reflect your personality and style. If you've been feeling uninspired by your space, take the plunge and start your own simple house renovation today. And remember, you don't need to spend a fortune. Just a little creativity, some DIY spirit, and the willingness to experiment. I hope this guide inspired you to create a beautiful, cozy space that you'll love coming home to. If you found this article helpful, don't forget to share it with friends and family who could use some decorating inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.